guys, Andrew Luck here again, just recording another WordPress video. Today's one is a bit of a special request. It's how to upload video into your WordPress blog or website. Now, as you'll see, if you start off on your dashboard, standard place when you log in, it's really straightforward and it's really useful feature actually, this one. But if you hover over onto media and then add new, you'll be presented with the upload screen where you can either just drop the files in or you can select them. If you click select, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you an error you may come across. In fact, if it's a new WordPress site, then chances are you will come across it, but it's really easy to fix, or we can fix it. We select a video. It says how to add a post in WordPress, which is the video I was going to upload, has exceeded the maximum upload size. Now inside your plus control panel, again we can do this for you, it's no problem. If you go to where your domain is listed and go to PHP settings, you just need to make sure that the upload max file size is the correct size there. So where that was about, I think about almost 900 meg, in that case we would enter the 900 meg. I'm going to use a different video now just because it's a bit shorter and because you really don't want to wait sort of 900 meg to upload. Right, so we go select files, test intro is the one we will upload, and you'll see it lists it down here and you can see the upload process going here. So that will be done in just a moment. And what this is doing is adding it into your media library so it will be available to all of your web pages and your blog pages should you need it. There we go. Great stuff. Okay then, so if we go to a page that you want it to appear in, for instance, now it can be a normal page, it can be a hidden page, it's entirely up to you. You go hover over pages. Now I'm going to use the sample page because this is sort of the test site. Now I'm going to click where I'd like it to appear. So if we say just there will do. Oh no, we're going to do it just after there. Obviously this is just sample text. In fact we could actually take that out, that might be better and easier for you. Go to add media, select the video, insert down here into page, and there you go, there you have it. So if we click update now, that will then obviously update the page in the website, and if we view it you'll see it's listed there. Okay, if you get any problems leave a message below, and obviously I'll come back to you as soon as I can. Alternatively you can call us on our number 01689 875 777 if you have any problems. But yeah, take care.